B-21 bombers, the nation's newest mass destruction device, are currently undergoing testing. This aircraft is a serious threat because of the latest stealth technology and powerful weaponry. However, great powers also carry great risks regarding the potential use of the B-21 in future conflicts. Its capabilities have caused concern to many around the world who are closely watching the United States as they continue to test the B-21 aircraft. The United States and the world in general are very interested in how this new weapon will affect future conflicts. Keep checking for more information about the B-21 aircraft and its potentially dangerous capabilities. The B-21 is the United States' newest bomber, produced by Northrop Grumman, a next-generation, long-range strategic bomber for the United States Air Force. This aircraft is designed to be able to carry out attacks silently and difficult to be detected by radar and other detection equipment. In addition, this aircraft is capable of carrying various types of weapons, including nuclear weapons. This aircraft is a serious threat because of the latest stealth technology and powerful weaponry. The B-21 stealth bomber is expected to be a significant improvement over the B-2 stealth bomber. These aircraft would be faster, more agile, and equipped with better systems to evade detection by radar and other contemporary detection systems. In addition, this aircraft is also capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including modern conventional weapons and nuclear weapons, thanks to its larger payload capacity. However, great power also carries great risks. Concerns about the potential use of the B-21 in future conflicts have been raised because of its capabilities. The B-21 has the potential to revolutionize the field of armed conflict. It is a powerful weapon that can be deployed to engage targets anywhere in the world, thanks to its latest stealth technology and arsenal. However, many experts are concerned about how these aircraft will be used in future conflicts. One of the main concerns was the possibility of a nuclear attack being launched from the B-21, although the U.S. government maintains that the aircraft will be used primarily for conventional warfare. There is always the possibility that the B-21 aircraft will be used to carry out a nuclear attack. The potential use of the B-21 in covert missions, such as assassination or sabotage, also raises other issues. This aircraft could be the perfect weapon for such operations thanks to its ability in terms of stealth technology that is difficult to detect and its ability to carry out long-range attacks. The world is closely watching as the United States begins testing the B-21 aircraft and wondering what impact this new weapon will have on future conflicts. Military specialists and other nations from around the world are enthusiastically monitoring the creation and testing of the B-21 aircraft. Its advanced capabilities have the potential to change the way war is fought and spark a new arms race between nations. The possible use of the B-21 in offensive operations has worried many countries. Although the United States maintains that the aircraft will be used primarily for defensive purposes, some experts fear that other nations will try to create their own advanced weapons to rival the B-21, which could then spark a new arms race and escalate international tensions. The world is carefully watching the United States as they continue to test and prepare to deploy the B-21 aircraft. This aircraft represents a significant advance in military technology, but its use in future conflicts raises many questions and concerns. It is impossible to predict at this time how the impact of the B-21 aircraft will have on future conflicts, but it is certain that its advanced capabilities and potential use in offensive operations have worried many countries and experts around the world. The B-21 aircraft will be a topic of discussion and controversy among military professionals and policymakers as its development and further testing takes place. Military analysts and decision-makers from various countries are still debating how the B-21 will affect future conflicts. Some argue that in order to maintain a strong national defense and deter potential adversaries, the development of advanced weapons, such as the B-21 aircraft, is necessary. In conclusion, the B-21 bomber is a cutting-edge weapons system that marks a remarkable development in military technology. But some policymakers and experts are concerned about its high price and destructive potential. While research, testing, and development of the B-21 aircraft is ongoing, it is important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of this lethal weapon system and ensure its use is judicious and effective. The continued development of the B-21 aircraft is an important highlight for the military community and decision-makers. Many countries are concerned about the impact on the global balance of power and international stability. This aircraft has the potential to trigger a new arms race as other countries will seek to develop similar weapons to respond to the threat it poses. However, it is important for the international community to be careful and wise in dealing with the development of the B-21 aircraft. The decision to use this weapon must be based on international law and global security principles. Countries must work together to ensure that the use of B-21 aircraft does not violate treaties and maintains a stable balance of power. In addition, the resources used for the development of the B-21 aircraft must also be considered. Significant diversion of funds to military projects of this kind can reduce allocations to the social and economic needs of communities. Therefore, it is important for countries to evaluate their priorities wisely and ensure that military spending is in line with the interests of society as a whole. In facing the development of the B-21 aircraft and increasingly sophisticated military technology, the need for diplomacy, international cooperation, and constructive dialogue is becoming increasingly important. Countries should commit to strengthening cooperation on arms control, nuclear disarmament, and controlled development of military technology. Only in this way can the world move towards a more stable and sustainable global security. In conclusion, the B-21 aircraft is a sophisticated weapon that marks the advancement of military technology. However, its potential use in future conflicts raises many concerns and questions. The world needs to closely monitor the development of this aircraft and ensure that its use complies with international security principles. In addition, the need for strong international cooperation in dealing with developments in military technology is increasingly important. With wise steps and global cooperation, the world can prevent the escalation of conflicts and promote peace and security for all mankind. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.